Let me ask you something. Who actually controls the world? Governments? Billionaires? Nope. There's one company you might not know about and it's pulling the strings behind everything. Apple? They own shares. Google? Yep. The water you drink, the food you eat, even your pension fund? Connected. This is the story of BlackRock, the $10 trillion shadow empire you're already funding. Think of BlackRock as the world's biggest middleman. Your 401k? Your insurance? That money flows into their funds. They're the top shareholder in nearly every Fortune 500 company. But here's where it gets creepy. They don't just own companies, they own the competition. Pepsi versus Coke? Boeing versus Airbus? BlackRock profits from both sides. No matter who wins, they win. Ever heard of too big to fail? In 2008, the U.S. government hired BlackRock to fix the financial crisis. Translation: they gave the fox the keys to the henhouse. Now they advise central banks worldwide. Imagine if a private company helped write traffic laws, while owning Uber, Tesla, and every taxi fleet. That's BlackRock with your economy. Their secret weapon? A system called Aladdin. It's the financial equivalent of the Death Star, tracking $20+ trillion in assets. Banks, governments, even your pension fund rely on it. One glitch could crash markets overnight. And get this, they're pushing a controversial agenda called stakeholder capitalism, where companies answer to BlackRock's ideals, not shareholders. Sounds like a corporate takeover of democracy, right? Here's the scary part. You can't opt out. If you have a bank account, a mortgage, or a retirement plan, you're part of their machine. The question isn't do they control too much? It's who controls BlackRock. And the answer might keep you up at night. So what do you think? Smart investing, or a ticking time bomb? Drop a comment, I read every one. And if you want the full deep dive, hit subscribe. This channel grows because of awesome viewers like you. Starting a channel is scary, but your support means everything. If you liked this, please subscribe, it motivates me to keep creating.